MBK Reacts. Hey yo, welcome back to
MBK Reacts.
Episode number 8 to season 1 of Chainsaw Man. I'm not gonna lie.
Denji.
Denji's crazy. For a part in this episode, I got spoiled. I'm still gonna act like I didn't know though, so y'all not gonna be able to tell. But yeah, this is episode 8. Last episode.
You think that he's on cruise? Why would you tell him that?
I mean, like, no point to lie. But yeah, last episode, it ended with Denji and Himeno. Himeno.
Kissing?
Oh, yeah, they was in the bed.
Yeah, in the bed. She got him drunk.
Yeah, and then she said, she whispered in,
"You want to do it?
Do you want to do it?"
Yes. I offer myself a tribute.
Yeah, episode ended like that. But then beforehand, they was at the bar. They was all talking. We got to meet the other, not higher ups, but like supervisors, I guess, whatever.
Division leaders, I think?
Yeah, division leaders.
All rookies got wiped out.
Yeah, and one guy, his squad got wiped out. Another guy, he has a fiend on his squad, but I guess they're not rational. And then the other girl, she said all the people that she came in with, none of them survived. So now. And then,
niggas turned a kite.
That's crazy. And that's really it. Oh yeah, they said Makima always be traveling, but since Denji's here, that means she ain't moving.
She loved my boy Denji.
So, and she knows more about Denji, and she was going to give it up, but they did the drinking game and they lost.
You know,
so she's keeping secrets.
You know, she was a little hurt when Denji was making out with what's her name?
Himeno.
Himeno.
She was drinking right now.
She was like, wait a minute. She don't care.
Wait.
No, she care.
My leash is getting loosened.
She definitely used that against him for sure.
So we're about to jump into episode number 8. So you know what to do if you like type of content. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, the bell on for a Chainsaw Man playlist. Get notified when I upload videos next. Full reaction on my Patreon $1 a month.
You just mumbled some of that. I can't lie.
Full reaction to Kuroku, Blue Log, Chainsaw, Fruit Basket. We're gonna get back on Fruit Basket. Don't worry about it. We'll give it this minute. And whatever other show we're watching at the time. Fight for the duel.
Killer.
So starting 3, 2, 1.
Why does he
have this Denji's home?
Did he come and grab Denji? That's
Himeno. Oh, this is her home. I thought this was thinking Aki's home.
Oh, this is how she's showing what happened.
Oh, yeah.
How was he knocked out though?
Because I think the scene started with him waking up.
I ain't gonna lie, Denji better take his opportunity.
Bro, Denji's a dog, bro.
I think he said stick him up.
Stick him.
We'll put Cheetah's head on the back of him. We never knew he has a whole Cheetah head on his back.
What else turned into a chainsaw?
What am I into?
He has no testicle.
He still doesn't have his right testament.
For real?
Nah, he.
I was gonna say he got that back.
What the?
What? What?
That was disgusting.
Don't tell me he put that in his pocket.
He did.
You want to remember that.
Wait, what happened? Did they do it?
He took his L. I mean, she looked a little satisfied.
Nope.
Ah.
初めてはマキマさんが。昨日の夜、私酔ってて何も覚えてないんだけど、私に乱暴なことされなかった。誰がゲロンなんだよとか。俺は初めてはマキマさんって決めたんだ。
Fuck. Told her straight up.
Yeah, if I heard that, I would have grabbed my ghost down.
No. Pick
Shit,
that
well, that
nigga
is
over the
released.
leg.
Man.
そういや、デンジ君もマキマさん好きなの。超好き。例えばマキマさんの性格がクソでも好き。クソ好き。
She don't like that. Spill the beans. Tell us about her. Aaron, get the backstory.
マジマジマジ。じゃあ今日から私たちは先輩後輩じゃなくて友達で行こう。
Tomodachi game? Tomodachi.
We gotta watch that.
たまに朝食べに来なよ。マジンちゃんとアキくんを連れてね。
I don't feel like it.
Man.
じゃあ駅弁買っちゃおう。1時に会食がありますよ。ちゃんとそれまでにお腹空かせますよ。
Tanaka? He said pet volleyball.
人たちと会いたくないの。
Big wigs.
みんな怖いんだわ。ご飯は穏やかな気持ちで食べたいのに。
Huh?
I can't tell if they just died or they just went to sleep.
Well, they just ducked their heads. Something happened. Or they just got...
Is that a gun on her?
Oh, what the hell?
Okay, he's about to kill the guy that was walking on thumb.
Wait a minute.
Oh, yeah.
Is this like the gun devil? Like, is he controlling this or is it the higher ups?
This gotta be gun devil action.
どれ？俺は普通にうめえけどな。わしに気安く話しかけるな。味の良し悪しが分からないんだ。まあ仕方ないことだ。幼少期に同じような味のものしか食べてないと大人になってから。
Talking too much.
じいちゃんヤクザだったけど。
He was a yakuza.
正義のヤクザです。
Did you been with them?
Oh, this is the not Yakuza getting back.
じいちゃんみたいな人はさ、女子供も数えるほどしか殺したことないんだと。役だからで欲しいもん何でも
Look,
Yeah,
he's
this
the only
the-
one paying attention
Just the
to.
mafia getting them back. That's what he's doing.
銃の悪魔はてめえの
After your heart.
Oh.
Yes, sir. Oh my god.
Oh. Come here.
Trying to heart though.
I shot.
But I thought that thing in though. You sure we put something out? Neither human nor devil? Wait, what is he?
Chainsaw. Sword devil. What the fuck? Oh.
The sword fiend. Oh. Wait.
And he took the sword. He took the sword out. So his life's already cut. Did he not just teleport with a nail? He said take the nail or something, right?
Oh, no, I don't even know what he said.
Because he was running and then he said now. Look at.
Nah, he's just
Oh.
fast.
No, he did say something. I just don't remember what he
He
said.
said nail. He said nail.
And he
who's-
said now.
No, but I'm saying nail before. Look at, see that thing?
What kind of creepy shit is that?
Cursing.
Uh-oh. Damn, he just used all his lives.
So is this the sword curse, bro? Or the sword? What? This guy's sacrificed?
It's like a skeleton. Oh,
Wow.
hey. What is this show?
Wait, but I was about to say, if this is like I'm a hero, no one in Japan should have guns.
Oh no, you're stabbed. Oh my god.
She using the opening.
The cursed devil is crazy.
Sword fiend. Damn.
Oh my god. He really just came back from death.
So he has to curse them. Huh? Wait. Oh, already involved. No, actually.
Oh. Oh, about to see her.
Yo, even the ghost is scared?
Oh.
So that was her devil in the opening.
Oh, snap.
Damn.
Oh my god, her whole arm bye-bye.
Look at going crazy. Oh, wait,
No,
wait.
come here, you're done.
Wait.
Enough of that.
Look at her just watching.
Arm.
Oh my god. What am I watching?
This show just turned up 10 times. It's about 100 volume right now.
Whoa!
Wait. Is this little girl the goat?
She's gone.
Oh. So we really lost her.
Best girl.
No, where's Kobe at? Where's Kobe?
She got popped.
Oh,
She did. She got popped, bro.
She got popped.
Oh.
No, I need another episode.
So that might have been easily
But you wasn't
the.
talking about Makima though, so that was good.
Oh yeah, for sure. I'm glad I did not know about Makima.
Oh my god.
Makima still got lit up.
Yeah, why they literally just pop her in the back of the head like that?
I'm not gonna lie. This is probably the greatest episode of the anime we watched this year.
Nah, Attack on Titan was this year. We can't say nothing about that.
Second.
It's definitely top 10 though.
Top 5.
We can say top 5, top 10.
Top 3.
Because that was, like, I ain't gonna lie. All that, super unexpected. Feel me? I ain't gonna lie. I've been watching a lot of Mafia movies recently, so when I seen them boys dug down in that train, I already knew what was finna happen.
Wait, what?
They dug down
That's
that
God,
train.
that was Godfather
I said,
energy right there.
Oh.
That was like the scene at the
Literally.
little, you know what I'm talking about, the toll booth.
booth, nigga. Like,
Took the ticket, they said, alright. Popped up with the Tommy gun, he said, oh.
Wow.
First of all, one thing that sucks is that they didn't even know it was coming. They just sitting there chilling.
Literally, they was actually helping people with devils.
Right.
Everybody that got shot was helping somebody,
Right.
which is
Except
crazy.
Makima.
Well, except Makima, she was just on her travels and stuff.
She didn't even notice like the shit went black. She
That's
just
what I'm
sat
saying.
there.
Is Makima
They went in a
is
tunnel.
not dead.
Makima's not dead. For sure
Makima's not dead.
For sure not.
Cause like, if it was that easy to kill her, she would have been dead. Let's be for real. You know what I'm saying? And I know who did it. I know who did it.
Who?
The Yakuza. Cause that's why.
That's why they was getting the get back?
That's
Yeah.
why the dude.
So you tell me those devil hunters are working with the Yakuza?
No.
Nah.
Or is that a horde are different?
Yeah, I'm saying the devil hunters are independent and the Yakuza are the underground. So they're running pretty much everything in Japan, right? And they noticed that one of the leaders, the guy, the old man that was with
Died.
not a leader, but he was the guy that was doing missions, carrying out missions, like getting missions people. Got smoked by Denji, the Chainsaw Devil.
Yeah. Now the Gun Devil wants his heart.
Wait, do
So
you think
you're telling me the Yakuza are working with devils? That's why the grandpa was the leader of Denji. He had a devil too, and then after Denji killed him, the Yakuza targeted Denji's group basically.
Yeah, or Denji, yeah, pretty much Denji.
Because they killed it. They killed
And for
everyone.
sure,
They killed
Pochita
everyone.
probably had something to do with Yakuza at first. You feel me? Because when he came back to the Chainsaw Man,
One God.
when he came back, he was like,
One
"Wait a
God.
minute, the Chainsaw Man." You know what I'm talking about when he killed the zombies?
What's
and
that
shit?
first episode?
Yeah, he was like, "Wait, the Chainsaw Man." He said,
Yeah, I
"Wait a
forgot.
minute,
I
I'm
forgot.
scared."
He just said
No, I remember he said I'm scared, but I forgot he said the chainsaw.
Yeah, he was like, "Wait a
It
minute."
means that the Gun Devil wants your heart. So
Mhm,
it's either the Gun Devil runs the Yakuza. Because think about the Yakuza, he said, the only people that can get guns in Japan are the devil hunters of the police.
Yeah.
So who would be the most fearful with a gun? A Yakuza member. Who's
Right.
going to use it for illegal activities.
They
who's
can.
probably- right. That's why who's causing the most fear about that gun.
Yeah.
So either the Gun Devil is a fiend that leads the Yakuza, or it's just the Gun Devil that leads them, period. And then
Because I feel like that was definitely Gun Devil action.
right, and then
For sure.
the Blade Devil comes out of nowhere with crazy strength.
Yeah. Wait,
Yeah,
Blade
hold
Fiend
on,
or
hold on.
Devil?
So
But
You
it's
said
the same
fiend.
thing.
No,
It's the
it's
same
the
thing.
same thing.
Because
wait, you said
power
Blade
is the
Sword?
Blood Demon or Blood Devil. I'm saying that gotta be the Blade Devil.
So even if that's the Blade Devil, first off, he lost the fight against Aki one on one.
For sure.
So it's that little girl. She pulled out a whole snake, but how did she revive him? That's the thing.
She just touched him.
That's what I'm saying. Like she had like a snake. Oh, was that a snake summoning? Wait. Kaki's cone. That's a
And
devil.
she just said snake swallow.
Yeah, snake swallow.
So
And
that's
she
like
said
that's like Aki's con. Like she summoned that. So that might be different from whatever else.
Cause she went like this when
Himeno was doing that too.
Yeah, Himeno was doing
Yeah,
this,
she was
and then
her
she
hand
looked. She said,
Swallow?
"Something's about to happen." Then she said, "Snake swallow."
And then leave.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie.
Leave and it just
That was
disappeared.
probably the craziest.
Events.
What am I trying to say? Craziest showcase of power
And
I've seen in a minute.
Right, because I was like, "There's no way they get out of this."
No way.
Like literally, Denji can't get out of it. Aki, Power, and Himeno.
Denji looks dead.
They're
Right
done.
now.
Yeah, Denji looks done.
And we got shown that Aki, that sword is the cursed devil. And Himeno was like, if you use that, your life is gonna get cut.
Yep.
And he used it 3 times. Cause he said the first
I
thing he
think
said
he
was
used it 4 or 5
Wait,
times.
rewind it to what he said there.
he said nail. He said take the nail out
You
or
want
something,
muffins?
bruh. So what?
He wanted muffins.
What the heck? He said take the nail out or something, bruh.
I seen that, but I wasn't even freaking question. Like I wasn't even registering that. To be honest, I was like, this action is being crazy.
Look.
No, rewind it.
Oh, she flicked it. It looked like a flick.
Was that like a representation of her finger going through him?
I think so.
I don't know. I don't know what's popping in that.
This whole sequence was just clean.
Everything, look how he runs up. He looks hella dumb when he runs up.
Man.
Like he looks tired. Look at Asa breaking the game.
Xbox on it. Come on, come over here. Xbox is fucking his arm.
I think he said, nah, I'm done.
Denji, they didn't even show Denji anymore.
They go like 16:30.
I just say, yeah, Denji's done.
Oh yeah, everybody. What?
See, look, he said.
Oh no, he's talking about the sword is a nail. She was like, a nail? She's in commenting on the screen.
Oh, what the heck? It's sort of a nail?
Mm-hmm.
You notice that? When he pierced him, it was heavy.
I thought.
That's actually crazy as hell.
Flick. I think she gives him a boost of speed.
No. They explained. They say if you get stabbed by the curse from a certain amount of times, you die.
Yeah.
That's why he died that first time.
That's crazy. Like, this episode is like left me speechless. Notice how they didn't, like, they only shot Denji once in the head. They know that's not gonna kill him. They want to eat Denji because they said the gun devil wants your heart.
They showed everything from the opening in this episode.
No God.
Everything.
Except for the
showed
one
everything
dancing.
besides that. I was just about to say this. Besides, that gotta be next episode.
Bro, that ghost devil reveal was crazy too. Bro.
Nah, that reveal of sticking Aki and the cursed devil in it crucified the guy. It literally had him hung up.
No, God.
Yeah, that was ridiculous.
Bro, it looked like summoned skull from Yu-Gi-Oh, bro. That shit, oh my God, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Chainsaw Man, you got me hooked on that one. That was crazy.
Like, if Chainsaw Man did not have action in it, I would read it.
No,
I would have been done with this.
I would have read that. I read anime, action anime.
Wait, why would they have action though? I'm pretty sure the manga has action.
No, he's saying he can't.
I don't read action.
Oh. Yeah, no.
Manga, because you don't know what that is.
Right.
Right. Trying to read Jujutsu Kaisen manga, action.
Dragon Ball.
I'm literally like. But yeah, this is. But that's all I can say. The clean up. First off, I don't know.
I hope Kobe did die.
Nah, Kobe dead.
Gone. Kobe. Gone. Rest up 24.
Why you read to
But,
Kobe? No, that was one guy though. He had to shoot one person first. Probably shot the other guy.
It was an old lady. She.
Oh yeah, it was an old lady. She probably shot the guy first.
Stick.
But I'm like,
Definitely was a fiend.
Bro, I'm getting all excited. I'm like, oh, they showed off the squads. They getting popped.
Popped. Like, they just got squad wiped.
They just did a hit on the the heads of the 5 families, like Godfather, whatever. But
Like,
his
Himeno is literally done.
Yeah, look at this guy.
his design was crazy.
And when he popped out with this, I said, another Chainsaw Man? Then I was like, swords. I was
Yeah,
like,
Kong was like, you just fed me something really, just something.
He just said, wait a minute.
Something.
He ate it, started getting torn up inside. I said, oh, he didn't feed me right.
He didn't feed me
either
human or devil.
I said, oh, what? And then his grandfather was the Yakuza guy. So either he was working for his grandfather too. And then like, we can't, Makima was lying. Because she said, Denji, you're the
special case?
Yeah, you're the first I've ever seen. Like, there's no recorded history.
Well,
of
yeah,
it.
we knew she was right because she has information, and like at the bar, she was going to give it up if they lost the drinking game.
See, bro, look at this guy. Well-known guy. Like, I don't care. He's well-known
Definitely
now.
well-known.
Now he is. And who's this girl? This girl is first off
She looks
scaring
OP.
off other devils.
OP.
Just
Yeah, she
spooked.
said she's dreadful.
Bro, had what's her name? Power spooked. She was.
She said, I can't do nothing.
Move, man, so I can't fight him.
Oh,
Yeah, you're soft. You're soft. Sit down.
Yeah, they said the blood that was like hella strong.
Right, but who's really scared of blood? I mean, yeah, people who's scared of blood, like Tsunade and weak ass. You feel me?
Okay.
If you was a female written character by Kishimoto, you're trash.
He was getting, I ain't gonna lie, he was getting folded though.
Yeah, he lost her
He
first
he
time.
lost and then
Oh, yeah.
he got lucky the second time.
But they said, oh, you know why you lost?
underestimated him.
Yeah, I underestimated him. As soon as he got serious, he
Man.
started flash stepping like
Yeah, I
he
said,
asleep.
damn. He flashed up. I said, oh.
I said, oh yeah, he dead ass. He dead ass. Yeah, that's crazy though. I ain't gonna lie. I gotta see what's popping.
I gotta see him versus Denji.
Oh God, we gotta see Denji. Get up! What are you doing? You sitting on the ground and looking useless.
Then you go to wake up. Then you go to wake up.
With his heart ripped off.
Yeah. With his whole
He
time.
dead.
Whole time with cheetah heart gone.
Yeah,
Aki's
Aki
gonna die.
Aki's about to be dead.
What
No, I don't think Aki dies because he was in the ending. I mean, that's probably the backstory. I don't think Aki's dead.
Maki getting smoked.
I don't want Aki to
Makima.
Yeah, also I don't know who. They said people on Chainsaw they die. This ain't monkeys.
Oh yeah, they died.
They say
So I don't know who's gonna be alive or dead next episode. All I know is Power got lucky.
Power got lucky. Everybody else smoked. Makima coming back because she's like some craziness. Wasn't Makima depicted as Jesus?
Yeah. She ain't dead.
Jesus had a second coming. You're done.
Oh, we still haven't seen that devil with the halo above their head.
We're not gonna see that yet.
Angel?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Angel Devil. Angel Fiend.
Angel Devil. Eh? I think that, bro, I was gonna say, I think that's her, but no. I don't know what she is, but whenever we find out what the girl
What
is,
you talking about?
the girl that was with him.
They
she
didn't
gonna
say
be
her
able to
name.
power. She needs.
Man, he said, "Hey, little help here."
He said, "Hey, little help."
Hey, little lady, can I get some help? What?
He was over there getting strangled.
Man, he was like, wait.
He was like,
wait.
if he was just 1v1, he would have been died.
Yeah, he was dead.
Yeah,
he would have caught no bodies.
Niggas, his
showed up.
IQ is literally
He
terrible.
would have showed up, killed Himeno, and then lost.
His IQ probably would have been live actually.
Nah, cause
because she would have had to help. No, wait.
No, Aki killed him and then she came, revived him. Then Himeno had to help.
Yeah.
And his IQ is terrible.
Himeno was just in the hospital.
Man, he's over here playing a video game.
His IQ
His
is terrible.
IQ is terrible.
Shit.
No, this I know. This how I knew something was up with him. He's giving a monologue in the ramen shop,
but only
not
Denji's
talking to nobody.
listening.
Right, and only Denji's looking at him like, "What is this dude talking about?" Then first off, he pulls out the picture.
Yeah,
I'm like,
Denji's like, "Uh-oh."
I said, "Okay, we're getting pump faked." Then
But why
I
you
was
pull out
like,
this
"Where's
picture
gun?"
like that? He pulled out like a gun. He was like,
He said,
"What if you put out your ID like that to a cop?"
nigga shoot you right away. That nigga said, "You want my ID?"
You want my ID?
Stick up.
Bro, yeah, that's crazy as heck. I can't lie. I'm just ready to see what's gonna happen next, to be honest.
yeah.
Oh, we gotta wait another week. When do they drop episodes? Every Wednesday?
Tuesday.
Oh, wow. New week, new funny.
So, you know what to do, like, top 100 likes, right?
Comment, share, turn post notifications on, ring that bell so you know I upload new videos.
MBK
out.